Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Megan and I'm the owner of a small business called Fauna. I mostly make and sell scrunchies and macrame, but I do a range of different accessories. I film all the behind the scenes content, pop it all on YouTube for you all to see. And in today's video, I'm going to be packaging up a bunch of orders because I did one of my biggest and best sales ever over the Christmas period, which was insane. So if you're not new here, you will know that Christmas and towards the end of the year, I was so burnt out and so exhausted. I was really struggling. So I did really need to focus on having a little bit of time off over the Christmas period, but I did decide to do a bit of a Boxing Day sale and end of year sale, I guess you could say. I launched it on Boxing Day and I let it run through until the end of the year and start of 2025, and I wasn't massively expecting a bunch of orders. I didn't know how busy people would be in terms of online shopping and whatnot, but I know sometimes people do get money for Christmas and people do love a good bargain. So I thought, you know what, screw it, what's the worst that could happen? I'm just gonna put a little sale up on the website, and if people shop it then great, but I also made it quite clear that there was going to be no rush for me to get these orders out and that I wasn't going to send them out until like the 3rd of January or something like that, just so I did get a little bit of a break and I wasn't putting loads of pressure on myself to get any orders out if any did come in, not expecting to get any. And we ended up with 13 orders, which is insane. So guys, if you place an order, thank you so much. I wanted to just post a little bit of a sale to thank people for all their support throughout the year and also help shift some of my seasonal items, so a lot of the Christmas stock. I hate saying that, like shift some of my stocks. It sounds like I just want to get rid of it. I don't, but I also don't want to then be stuck with Christmas stock throughout the entire year because all the space in my studio is vital. So as much as I don't want to just shift it, it is a good way to potentially get rid of some of your Christmas stuff. So a massive thank you to anyone who ordered. So I'm going to be packaging them up in this video. I really hope you enjoy it. So let's get into it. See if I've got time to squeeze in packaging one or two of these up before I need to go to work, so we'll see how many I can get done. If not, I can do the rest later. But first we've got Rachel, so thank you so much, lovely. You've got your name card. Rachel's gone for the Eve mini and the Hunter mini, which is really exciting, so thank you so much, lovely. Let's get this one done. So next we've got Laura S. So Laura has landed on a freebie, so thank you so much, lovely. So I am going to throw in a no waste fabric bookmark as well as a motel keychain. She's got a bunch of scrunchies, which is exciting. So we've got the Eve and the Serena minis. We've then got the latte and the maple from the coffee collection, ruby and sapphire, and finally a Nova XL. So thank you so much, lovely. Let's package this one up. Hello love, so I'm back from work now, ignoring the studio makeover chaos that's going on around me, but I'm ready to package up the rest of these orders. So we are up to Laura. So Laura, one of my small business friends, thank you so much my love. So I'm going to grab her order and we're going to package that up, then followed by Francesca and Claire. So Laura's gone for a Paloma mini as well as a Hunter mini and a Maple mini, so thank you so much lovely. And then we've got Francesca and she's gone for a mystery scrunchie, one of the no waste ones, as well as two Donna minis, which is the red tartan and the lovely Bailey mini. So Francesca, thank you so much. And then we've also got Claire. Claire has gone for the Eve and the Rory scrunchie, which is such a cute seasonal combo. So we've got the Christmas and the autumn vibes, and she's also gone with two no waste mystery scrunchies. So Claire, thank you so much. Let's package those 3 orders. So next we've got Stephanie and Harriet. So first, Stephanie did land on a freebie, so I'm going to pop in a little bookmark and flower keychain for her. She's gone for a mystery scrunchie and then 3 of our normal range scrunchies. So we've got the Alicia, which is our lovely leopard print one. We've then got Candy from the Christmas collection, the red and white striped one, and then the sky blue swim scrunchie, which is super cute. So Stephanie, thank you so much my love. And then we've got Harriet. Harriet's gone for a really nice collection. I love these 3 colours together. So we've got 3 of the lovely satin colours. So we've got Cleo, Danny and Juniper. So I think they're a really cute combo together. So Harriet, thank you so much lovely. Let's package these up. I have just prepped some boxes just so you don't have to watch me remake loads of boxes and stuff and fiddle about with the tissue paper. So let's get this one ready for Harriet. So next we've got Lindsay and Holly. Lindsay's order is super cute, very floral. I love this. So we've got her name card, and then we have got these 3 prints here. We've got the bee, we've got the Stella, and we've got the Avalon. So how cute are those 3 together? Oh, I love those. Thank you so much, Lindsay. She has also picked up a mystery scrunchie, so hopefully you like it. And then we've got the lovely Holly. Holly has gone for a Sapphire mini, an Avril mini, a Veronica mini, and a Holly mini. So thank you so much, lovely. Holly landed on a freebie, so we're going to throw in a bookmark and a keychain. So thank you guys so much. I love seeing all the different things that people pick out, and I'm still so blown away by all these orders, guys. So thank you so much. But let's zip it and get these packaged up. It's a little bit later, guys. I've just eaten some dinner and we had a bit of a pathetic attempt at making, I'm probably gonna offend a few people with how I'm gonna say this, gyros. Apologies to any of my Greek viewers, but we had, is it gyros? Gyros? I don't know.
Gyros.
Basically this Greek dish. So I'm in a little bit of a food coma and we have been watching House, which is an older series now, I guess you could say, about a doctor. Very of its time, but we love it. We think it's great, and Alex and I have been slowly working our way through the episodes, and we've just watched a very sad episode. So I've been curled on the couch in a food coma, crying my eyes out to House. So if I look even worse than I did prior, I do apologise, but I'm ready to crack on with passing up the rest of your orders. We've got 4 left, which I'm really excited about. So first of all, we've got Gemma. Gemma's gone for 2 wristlets. So we've got the Fern one, which was an old Christmas one, and the Alex one, as well as the Avalon XL. So Emma, thank you so much, my love. And then Michelle has also gone for a wristlet, but we've got a macrame one. So we've got the teal one, and then we've got the Mocha XL, which is this really deep, rich chocolate brown, again from the coffee collection. So Michelle and Emma, thank you so much. Let's package these ones up before I end up falling asleep. There's just something about when you're really full and you've had a good meal and you just want to curl up and have a nap. I'm honestly like a child, but packaging up your orders is definitely a great excuse to get off the couch and keep going, because I love doing this, and it's been an incredible end of 2024, start of 25 to be able to do this and package all your orders up. So yeah, I know I'm probably gonna be like a broken record saying it, but thank you so much, guys. So let's crack on with Emma and Michelle's orders. So we're down to our last 2 orders. We've got Hayley and Elaine. Guys, thank you so much for your orders. And Hayley, thank you so much for your really kind message on your order. Thank you for watching the channel and supporting and then placing an order. And Elaine, you are a legend, so thank you so much. So Hayley went for a Danny XL and a Mocha XL. And she also got one of the dark grey macrame wristlets. So thank you so much, lovely. She did also land on a freebie. So again, we're going to do a keychain and a bookmark. I still love the print on this. And then Elaine has picked up some swim scrunchies. So we've got the black, the sky blue and the hot pink, as well as the Serena mini and the Jasmine mini. So Elaine, thank you so much. Hopefully you both like your goodies. So let's get these 2 sorted. So there we go, I'm going to leave this video here. Guys, thank you so much. You'll have to let me know if you saw your order in this video. If you did place an order and you are watching, thank you so much. A huge thank you to anyone who placed an order in the year of 2024. I cannot wait for 2025 and see what it brings and everything. So I just want to quickly say a massive thank you for all your support throughout the year. But before I ramble on it too much, if you could give this video a massive thumbs up, leave me a comment down below and subscribe if you haven't. Check out all the links down below, social media, the website, everything for Fauna Rose is down there, as well as all the information for joining my Fauna Rose family and joining the memberships. That is basically just where you pay a subscription fee each month and you get access to behind the scenes content, bonus content, polls and a bunch of different things like that. Which leads me on to thank my wonderful family members. Thank you all so much. Thank you so much for your support throughout the 2024 year. I'm so grateful. I couldn't do any of this if it wasn't for you all, so a huge thank you to you all. And finally, a thank you to you guys for watching. But apart from that, I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye!